If you're looking for a projector that's compact, smart, and powerful enough for home theaters or outdoor movie nights, the Lisowod L03Pro deserves your attention. Let's dive into the key features. 1400 ANSI lumens, bright enough for indoor and outdoor use. Auto eye focus, crystal clear picture without manual adjustment. 1080p Full HD support for stunning image clarity. 800 plus real apps pre-installed, Netflix, Prime Video, YouTube, and more. Live TV feature for direct streaming. Auto 4P Keystone correction, perfectly rectangular image every time. Pause. Imagine setting it up on your balcony or backyard and having cinema-level viewing in minutes. No messy adjustments, no blurry edges. Connectivity and portability. Wi-Fi and Bluetooth for easy wireless streaming. Portable, mini design, carry it anywhere. Bluetooth audio output for wireless speakers or headphones. Multiple ports for HDMI, USB, AV, and SD card support. Design and usability. Compact, modern aesthetic. Quiet cooling fan, won't distract from your movie. Remote control included for ease of use. Plug and play with smartphones, laptops, and gaming consoles. Who is it for? Movie enthusiasts, gamers looking for large screen experience, students for dorm entertainment, families wanting outdoor movie nights. Mid-video pause. The combination of brightness, smart apps, and autofocus technology makes this one of the most convenient portable projectors you'll find at this price point. Whether it's Netflix, live TV, or streaming from your phone, this projector handles it all seamlessly. Recommendation: if you want a compact, versatile projector for indoors and outdoors, Lisowod L03Pro is a smart choice. Fast setup, immersive visuals, and smart connectivity put it ahead of basic mini projectors. If you're looking for a projector that's compact, smart,